So when we're clipping a sanitary, we don't want to use anything shorter than a 10 blade, okay? So no 15s, no 30s, no 40s, because if it's too close, it'll irritate them. And when we're grooming pets and most dogs, they're not used to having it any shorter. And sometimes with some breeds, even a 10 blade is too short. You might have to do a 7 or a 5F because the being too short irritates them and they get a rash, okay? So with some breeds, I might put some like talcum powder or Q-rash powder underneath if it's a bit sensitive there, just to calm it down so it doesn't get too tingly and be too sensitive. When I pick up the leg, I'm not doing this. Pulling it out, it'll hurt the leg. Pick it up. And I want to get underneath and clean all this out. So I'm resting my elbow on the table, my legs up, getting down. I'm not like this, you can see what I'm doing. And I want to clean out the inner thigh and then my belly area. I'm going reverse, okay? I have my 10 on, holding my clippers, back, gentle, watching what I'm doing, inner thigh, running back. I'm already doing half. Skimming along, cleaning it, it's doing its job. And out here I'm going to flick out. I'm going reverse. So if I was to pick her up, example, so if I pick her up, and you have a look, I put her on her back legs. Can you see what I've cleaned out here?
Yeah.
I know we wouldn't do this in a dog, but just for the demo I'm showing. I want to clean here. Some of this you can just flick out. Your belly button area through here. Don't go lower. Okay? Clean it back. Sometimes I have little fat rolls through here and skin fold rolls, so clean that out. And that's it, okay? So you can see I've cleaned to the outside. When I pop it down, good girl. Put it down. You can see it's clean. Sometimes when they sit down and she wants to sit, you know, sit, Lena? She might sit. Sit, good girl. Sometimes you can see if you've missed it, you see like when they sit down, you see this hair pop out on the side. You can see, oh, you can see here I haven't. But if I have, then I would then just quickly nip and clean it up. The worst thing you can see as a groomer or a pet parent is when a dog sits down at home and the hair pops out here. Okay, you miss some stuff, okay? So it's that inner thigh hair that you want to make sure through here that you get. Make sure that you don't get it too lower in the leg and it's all the way down here, okay? Same for my vulva area. On females, I just want to clean around the vulva. I don't like them to get a UTI. Or on the boys, the sheath. I personally don't like to have hair on the end of the penis, the sheath area. For the dogs, because I just think, one, that pee gets there, the urine, and they can develop a UTI. Some like it because they have a pee stream. I don't like it. I think it's a bit gross. Personally, I don't like that, right? Same for boys and testicles. And those genital areas, if their boys have testicles, I don't like to leave the hair there. I do like to clean it off decently well, just because it can hair they can get matted too. And that's actually more uncomfortable for the dog, okay? I don't care if the client doesn't want to see them. They're there. I need to clean them hygienically, okay? But with the belly, that's all you have to do.